Welcome back. I've been hard at work trying to find a free hit side that will break into the club 100. This lineup managed to gain 100 predicted points. The only single game week players are Kane and Haaland. I do quite like a double up of these Liverpool defenders. Their attacking threat is high and they play teams struggling to score. Tarkowski is a star budget player this week. Saka is a brilliant choice for skipper. However, I've gone for Salah over Saka this week. Now I do think it's more a gut feel than educated guess. Both are great options this week. If you have liked the video, then please leave a like and subscribe.